Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Canva AI for YouTube thumbnails. So if you want to create eye-catching thumbnails faster with AI, just follow along. First, open the Canva app on your phone and sign in to your account. After that, tap Create a Design and search for YouTube thumbnail. Once the template opens, look for Canva AI's tools such as Magic Design or Magic Media depending on your version of Canva. Now enter a prompt describing the thumbnail you want to create. For example, you could type something like gaming YouTube thumbnail with a bold text, glowing effects, and dramatic background. Canva's AI will generate design ideas, images, and layouts based on your prompt. Next, choose a design you like and customize it by changing the text, images, colors, and other elements. You can also use Canva AI to generate images for your thumbnail if you don't have your own photos. Once you're happy with the design, tap Download and save the thumbnail to your device. For best results, keep your thumbnail simple, use larger readable text, and make sure the main subject stands out. And that's how to use Canva AI for YouTube thumbnails. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.